With local, it's a little difficult because let's say if you're doing internet marketing stuff, let's say I wanted you to buy my course, right? I have a great course on Facebook ads. Here's why you should use it, blah, blah, blah. Well, in order for me to validate if people want the course, I could actually just go get a JV. And if someone on a warm list likes my stuff, I could then sort of retool my course to be sold via paid traffic because I got validation that people bought the course, right? Now with local, JVing is not that easy, you know, and you sort of have to just put the offer out there, whether it's local or national, with small amounts of traffic, small budgets, and just test out, let's just say 5 or 10 different audiences before you come to the conclusion that maybe my offer's off, right? Now, if you change the offer 2 or 3 more times and you're using the same audiences and that same audience still doesn't buy, it may be your targeting. So at first as someone who buys traffic every day, I can get myself a little nuts around this. You know, I'll think, man, I'm buying everything from the right audience, everything's great. We change the offer 3 times over the course of a month, nothing happens, and then I get in denial. No, there's no way it's not the traffic. It can't be the traffic. But I have to be honest with myself. It could be I'm just targeting the wrong people. But I had to figure that out by testing the offer a couple times first.